Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone. Enable the installer permissions and make a quick backup of your lock and home settings so you can revert. Next, open Play Store and install an iOS-style lock screen app plus an iOS widgets or KWGT pack and a compatible launcher. Once done, grant required permissions, notification access, overlay, and device admin for lock control. Make sure to read each app prompt. These permissions let the app mimic iPhone behavior and show widgets on the lock. Now configure the lock app itself. Open the app, set it as your default lock handler, and enable Device Administrator so it can manage unlocking. Then add the iOS-style clock and control widgets using the widget pack or build them with KWGT. Position them to match iPhone spacing and enable touch shortcuts. Next, tune swipe gestures, passcode behavior, and notification previews to match iOS rules. Once configured, test locking and unlocking to confirm gestures, shortcuts. Finish by refining animations, sounds, and haptic feedback so the result feels consistent. Adjust duration and easing where the lock app exposes those options. Test full flows. Lock, unlock with PIN, fingerprint, or face, and use shortcuts from the lock screen. Reboot your device to ensure the lock app starts reliably. If the lock fails or widgets disappear, clear the app cache, re-grant overlay and notification permissions. Then reapply the lock app as default. That one step fixes most startup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.